So I recently upgraded my network rack with all the Unifi goodies, including a new NVR, NAS, and more. So obviously I have to add more cameras and more access points. So let's get after it. So I'm adding a few more Unifi G5 and G6 cameras, as well as a U7 outdoor access point. To make the job a little bit easier, I've got my buddy William installing some soffit lights, which will make running the cables much easier. We've already punched a hole through the wall in my master bedroom to run 4 Cat6 cables from the patch panel I'm installing now out to the various locations outside. The old access point in my master bedroom was connected to a switch in my laundry room via an old Cat5e cable. I need plenty of PoE power for the new cameras as well as outdoor access point, so I picked up this Ubiquiti PoE++ switch. The U7 Outdoor is a long-range, dual-band Wi-Fi 7 access point. I wanted the U7 Pro, but it was unavailable at time of order. Somehow, I've been able to avoid terminating my own Ethernet cables for years, but it was unavoidable for this project. I got pretty good at it after a while, and as you can probably tell, I was actually pretty excited with myself.
Orange, white, orange. Green, white. Blue, blue, white. Green. Ha ha ha! Got it! Orange, white, orange. Orange, green, white. Blue, blue, white. Green. Brown, white, brown.
The holes in the soffit definitely made it a lot easier to run the Cat6 cable, install the cameras, as well as the access point. With the work outside done, it was time to upgrade my U6 in-wall access point to a U7 in-wall access point, as well as tidy up the cables. The U7 access point looks similar to the U6 in-wall. However, they utilize a different mounting bracket, so that has to be swapped out as well.
My goal
Panther fail.
Fast in the lane, never slow, no change. Came with the flame, put the game to the shame. Dreams can't catch me, speed of the sound. Ground get shadow when my work break bounds. Crown is my goal, gotta take it now. You blink and you miss, take this route.
Time for a couple of finishing touches, clean up, and it's job done.